Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with Chart Guys. It's Wednesday, February 7th. Going to do my nightly video on gold. Let me take this out. So gold and oil, very clearly moving inverse to the US dollar. So looking at the US dollar daily, from this top here, you can clearly see that we've had lower highs on the bounces and lower lows. We are breaking to a higher high by breaking above 89.637. And this is definitely, I'm going to still expect on the weekly, on the daily, it has some work to do on the US dollar. Needs to really break above 95.15. So going to look for a lower high on this weekly chart here, but definitely bouncing inside weekly candle is a bull break here clearly, and coincidentally the weekly gold is breaking bear. Again, we need to watch the volume here on this bear break. If it's increasing, I would be very concerned. You could see last time that it signaled the top when we saw increasing bear volume. After a red candle, we saw increasing bear volume. So it's definitely something to watch for here is this weekly volume with 2 more trading days to go. So definitely concerned for bears. Weekly is losing the 8 EMA currently. If we lose the 8 EMA, I will look for a downside here. And even on the downside though, however, I will look for a higher low above this recent low of 1238.30. So you can clearly see that we had a low, high, higher low, a little bit of a higher high here, not by much, but by a smudge. So we're going to look for a higher low above 1238.30 if we reach those levels and there's a significant pullback in gold with and I'm going to look for a pretty significant pullback in gold if we do break this inside candle. If we break it the weekly inside candle bear with increasing bear weekly volume, I will look for a significant pullback. As far as the hourly goes, actually let me check the 4-hour chart first. So 4 hours starting getting into oversold territory. We do have a bull reversal candle. I am going to expect a bounce here. You can see that we pulled back, consolidated, dump, pulled back, consolidated, dump, pulled back, consolidation, little bounce and dump. So looking for a bounce here. We do have a 4-hour bullish reversal candle, another green candle. We'll confirm that. And I'm going to expect a lower high as of now based on the longer term charts below 1334.80. So we could get another bounce tomorrow. Could see especially if the markets see a red day, we'll see if gold starts acting inverse to the markets. Has it not been a clear indicator of a safety haven for the market dump? And again, in my videos, I mentioned that I didn't see significant money moving into gold with the markets dumping. There was more significant buying of SPY common, saw millions of shares being bought by institutions, as I mentioned in last night's videos, as well as financial and banking sector calls. So definitely money is not moving into gold yet. There isn't concern, even on all that volatility. If there was concern in the markets, I would have seen big institutions stepping in on gold and breaking this recent high of 1365.40, and 1365.40, and you can see on the daily. So on the big dump day, not a very big green candle. You can see the bull volume wasn't significant, and then boom, bear volume, inside daily bear break that I mentioned in last night's video, and continuation here on that inside candle bear break. And so the bull volume was not significant there, and you can see in comparison to the markets, look at the dump day. You can see that was very significant bear volume, but look at the next day. Look at bulls buying all that up. So Not saying the market is going to recover all at once here, but definitely money is not moving into gold right now on this volatility. So I would be very wary on gold right now with the way the gold charts are setting up on the daily and weekly, with that daily inside candle bear break and the weekly inside candle breaking bear. I would play oversold bounces on day trades, and I would play oversold bounces on day trades based on the hourly and 4 hour. But at this point, nothing beyond that. And on bounces, I would play, especially if they set lower highs on this, especially if gold sets a lower high below 1334.80 on the bounce play, I would take my profits and then look for a short entry on gold at this point. So anyways, have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.